Hey there, TV lovers! Are you ready to take your entertainment experience to the next level? Introducing the Amazon Fire TV 43-inch Omni QLED series, the perfect blend of stunning visuals, smart capabilities, and hands-free convenience. This smart TV is designed for anyone who wants to elevate their viewing experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a sports fan, or a binge watcher of your favorite shows, the Amazon Fire TV Omni has something for everyone. Let's talk about the benefits and features that make this TV a must-have in your living room. First off, the 4K UHD resolution combined with Dolby Vision IQ technology delivers mind-blowing picture quality with vibrant colors and deep contrast. Say goodbye to blurry images and hello to crystal clear visuals that will bring your favorite content to life. But wait, there's more. The Fire TV ambient experience transforms your TV into a work of art when it's not in use, displaying stunning visuals that blend seamlessly into your home decor. It's like having a piece of art hanging on your wall that can also stream your favorite movies and TV shows. And let's not forget about the hands-free experience with Alexa. Just ask Alexa to turn on the TV, change the channel, or even dim the lights, all without lifting a finger. It's like having your own personal assistant right in your living room. Now, let's talk about some real-life use cases. Imagine hosting a movie night with friends and easily searching for the perfect film using just your voice. Or catching up on your favorite shows while cooking dinner without missing a single scene. The possibilities are endless with the Amazon Fire TV Omni. Comparing this smart TV to others on the market, the Fire TV Omni stands out for its seamless integration with Alexa and the Fire TV platform. No more fumbling for remotes or searching for content, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of your Amazon Fire TV Omni. Don't forget to explore the wide range of streaming services available on the platform. Customize your viewing experience with different picture settings, and take advantage of Alexa's skills for a truly hands-free experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a smart TV that combines stunning visuals, smart capabilities, and hands-free convenience, look no further than the Amazon Fire TV 43-inch Omni QLED series. Elevate your entertainment experience and revolutionize the way you watch TV. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your viewing experience today with the Amazon Fire TV Omni. Order yours now and start enjoying a whole new world of entertainment.